Good evening, YouTube. It's Tuesday, September 13th. Yellow finches eating my sunflowers. It's about 6:45. Just finished yard work. I didn't edge. This is basically for my own personal log over the years. Yeah, the sidewalk looks crap since they redid it and broke all the other stuff. So is the grass. They're supposed to come plant new seed.